pick up this fancy socket. That's not the socket we needed. It's over here. Pick up the fancy socket to get the cam bolt out. It's out. Now we're about to lube up our new stick right there. And once that thing's lubed up, we're going to glove up, pull this old stick out, and shove the new one in.
Well, that sucks it wouldn't do that. I don't know if it's, was it the connection maybe, or?
I doubt. It's probably can't go live there with the feed.
But it should, if it's AirPlaying, it should. I mean, because it's just...
It's probably something to do with the iPhone. Doesn't want the cameras to work and all that too.
I'll have to look more into it and see.
There'll be an update. Apple will have an update to fix that soon, I'm sure. You would think.
All right, so it's going.
Still live?
Yeah, they're coming now.
Nice. All right, so we're going to continue moving forwards. If those of you returning viewers from before joining back, thanks for coming back. If you're a new viewer, well, thanks for joining us. We're Addicted to Octane. I'm Matt. This is Jim right over here, and we are in the middle of doing a cam swap in our 7.3 swapped, Godzilla swapped Fox Body Mustang. Brian Tooley Racing hooked us up with their truck Norris camshaft. If you're going to get a cam or anything like that, call the dudes over at Brian Tooley Racing. They have the best customer service and the best products ever. I could get into a little bit more of that customer service stuff earlier, but maybe we'll save that for a later date. We went to a local cam manufacturer to get some hardware, and we're high-performance engine builders. We don't carry that. Well, they carried it anyways. Douchebags everywhere. But that's why we stick with BTR. So anyways, we're going to open this stick up. It's so beautiful. Ooh, we got a sticker too. Look at that. Well, that's not a sticker. It's the cam card. Dang it. So I'm going to leave it in the plastic and just kind of rip it open. And then we've got some assembly fluid. We're going to open up. Cover it up with assembly fluid. Once we're ready to stick it in, we'll make sure that fluid gets all over everything. And we'll get her done. Now I just got to find out what we did with the assembly fluid.
So while you're watching us live for TikTok, we're actually filming our video for YouTube. So you'll see me running around doing this. I'm the filmer, he's the talker, and we make it work. Speaking of work, you need to check out on YouTube. Matt did a promotion, instructional public safety announcement video. You all need to watch that. Maybe you learned something.
YouTube/Addicted to Octane. That tutorial is there for you. You should check it out and tell us what you think. For real, for real. Go over there, take about 10 seconds. Let us know.
All right, so
I thought it was pretty informative.
Big engine, yeah. It's a big block. It's a 7.3 Godzilla out of a 2023 like a Econoline van. It's a gas motor. The new 7.3 Godzillas are responding extremely well, and we're going to try it out. I mean, there's been several of them done already, but our goal is to drag and drop car. We want something that'll handle nitrous really well, and something that we can be dependable and kind of efficient. Let me turn it around. Matt right now is.
So I just put some gobs of assembly fluid on the top of the cam. Not going to wrap it around already. Once I get this cam out, we'll go chuck it out in the street because it's worthless to us, and then I'll come back, glove up, and make sure we get the assembly fluid all over all of it.
What were you?
The whole cam, and we'll keep on keeping them.
So again, show you this Fox Body Mustang is a coupe. It's got a tube front end on it. Excuse me. It's got a TMZ K member for a tubular K member on it. We're running the Viking dual coilovers front and back. It's got a Quick Performance 9-inch rear end, gears, you name it. And I got the phone in my other hand, so I can't show you. But we got the interior is gutted. Running a
Doctor.
So your basic, drag car. Roll cage, gutted interior, the column and so your basic, drag car. Roll cage, gutted interior, the column and steering will be coming out to be replaced by something that's like certified and a little bit safer. And we'll be putting the factory dash back in. It's kind of gutted dash, but that way it can be in classes. No, it's not a 10-cylinder. We'll be putting the factory dash back in. It's kind of gutted dash, but That way it can be in classes. No, it's not a 10-cylinder. It's a V8. It's a 7.3 liter Godzilla V8. So stock those are doing really well because they're just torque monsters. But we're changing the cam out today, and we're gonna do a cam and tune, and then probably run like a 200 shot nitrous on it just to help boogie down the track a little bit better. Yeah, it's a V8. It's a 7.3 Godzilla.
Ready to pull it? We ready to pull it.
Oh, right here. Let me get that.
Bring them up in here. Ready to pull it? We ready to pull it.
Oh, right here. Let me get that.
Bring them up in here.
I'm bringing y'all closer, but we're also taking in, yeah, go that side.
So, as you can see, the whole front accessory cover has been removed. It's over here on the ground. Just a series of 10 mils and I think an 18 to get that off. There was a cam retention plate on top of the camshaft here. Timing chain, of course, is down here. There was a tensioner on this side that's oil fed, and then a guide on this side. We pulled both of those out. We went ahead and stuck the stock bolt back in the cam so that we can rotate this around and make sure that the lifters get pushed back up into their trays. We're ready to go. I don't hear any clicking. No lifters are following, so we're about to pull this thing out. Ready to slide it out?
No, it's not a Coyote. It's a Godzilla 7.3. All right, hang on. Let's pull this cam out. Me taking. As you see, we're making a video for our YouTube channel as well. You see what you're doing.
I'm pulling the cam out. Trying to be careful. I don't want to pull a cam bearing.
Get a little closer, see what's going on here.
Of the, what is it, the Amazon Arrow or whatever. We just don't have the best service out here. Let me, should have been the greatest thing we did, but we had horrible cell service. Fortunately, Jim has a pretty awesome cell signal because of what he does in his daily life, so hopefully it's better. Let us know.
Still say one of my most favorite tools ever.
So folks, what y'all are witnessing right now, if you just hopped in, we're doing a cam swap on our 7.3 Godzilla Fox Body Mustang. We got the cam about 3/4 of the way out and it hit the nose. So we're just gonna pop the nose off real quick, get the cam the rest of the way out, shove the new one in.
And take that side off. I gotta find a different socket over this bottom one. For some reason it seems to be a different size. What size is that one though?
Huh?
What size is the socket you got?
11. So we need this one?
There's one down here too. What the? Right down the very bottom.
Ow.
It's bit, man.
Okay.
People are still joining, so I'm assuming it's working right.
Where'd you put all that hardware?
I'm just on the table right now. I didn't. You put do it wrong. Okay.
Yeah. It is stuck.
Oh, there's one. And it's got another one. I missed one.
Juan? Miss Juan?
Come out.
Dang, he said it's not any better. It's still freezing up and stopping every